This workstation PC blends the ultimate in performance components and design, with the best GPU, the RTX 4090, and the ultra-fast Intel i9-14900K for the CPU. And the looks of this PC matches the level of these components, as we've built this PC in the new Antec C5 case. With the CPU installed, I can finish off this motherboard by locking in a 4TB and a 1TB SSD, along with 64GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Now it's time for the Antec C5 case. Antec has been firing on all cylinders lately with their parts, and they are starting to establish themselves as one of our favourite manufacturers of coolers and cases. With the Antec Vortex cooler locked down, I can now unbox the real production power for this PC, the Asus TUF RTX 4090. Once I finish this quick peel, lock in the best gaming GPU there is, I can show you one of my favourite custom PCs.